Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sunuk. Today I'm back with highly requested video, which is morning skincare routine. While recording this video, I happen to take a shower, so every time I shower I like to wear a mask because it is more effective. 10-second rule. It is said always wear your toner within 10 seconds. This is the reason I like to keep all my skincare products on the bathroom itself. At least I'm not running here and there like a headless chicken. This is the first time I'm using this toner. It's from Skin Food. After that, I like to apply essence. This one is from Snail Bay. It is said Korean women would never forget essence in their skincare routine, whether it's day or night. So knowing this fact, I injected this habit on my skincare routine. Next step is serum. I love serum. This one I'm using is from Innisfree. It's called the green tea serum and it is the bomb. Eye cream, my darlings, it is so important. I hardly recommend you guys to apply your eye cream. Under eye skins are very thin and delicate, thus it needs more care and love, and it is also the first part which gets wrinkled quickly. Finally, day cream. I like to use a day cream which contains SPF on it, which is another important ingredient for your skin. The reason why you have freckles, uneven skin tone and pigmentation is due to lack of SPF on your skin. I will soon do a video on this topic. Currently your homegirl is really busy, so bear with me guys. Just stay subscribed. Lastly, finish off with a lip balm. So there you have it. That's my complete morning skincare routine, and if you love watching this kind of video, please don't forget to hit a thumbs up so that I know, and if I get more likes, I'll be creating more this kind of content in the future. Until then, stay blessed, stay humble, lots of love, peace out, Sunuk. Goodbye. Thank you.
खैनी चुरुट खान्छौ कि दाँतै कालो छ